This short video is about working with audits after they are stored. Once the audits are completed and stored, you can go to the checklist screen. On the checklist screen, all of the checklists will come up, so you'll want to sort them for just the quality checklists. You use the drop-down menu, you click on the quality checklists and those that are done. You may want to search for a specific part number, so there's a search bar to type in that part number. And when it comes up, you can click on it to review the data that was input during the audit. You'll see what the specific part number was, what the specific parameters, any temperatures, the time that the data was input. You'll also have the specific variables that were input during the audit, any pictures that were used, safety criteria, and of course the signature of the person who completed the audit. So that's for reviewing the audit data. If you want to analyze the data, you start on the activity screen. All of the activities appear, so once again, you're going to want to sort them. Using the drop-down menu again, you can look for the quality. You can look for the incidents related to quality that have come out of the audits. And again, you want to look at those that are completed. You may have one of the incidents that you want to look at in particular. By simply clicking on it, you bring up the data from the observation that came out of the audit. There can be pictures, there'll be information about who took the audit, what information they found, but most importantly, there will be a category for the defect that was found during the audit. You can analyze the quality categories on the report screen. So you click on the report screen, and of course your reports will come up. There are reports for safety, quality, activities, and so on. But you have the option to select the quality reports. Selecting the quality reports will include the incidents from the audits. They're represented by the yellow bars. Those incidents are then grouped by categories. And on the graph, you can see all of the categories that came out of the incidents. This is an example, so we're just calling them cause A, cause B, cause D, and so on. In this case, you can see that there were 8 incidences of cause A, 5 in the previous month, and 55 in the month before that. So now that you have this information, you may decide to launch an A3 as part of your actions in order to address these incidents. So by simply clicking on the A3, you can go in, designate it a quality A3. You can give it a summary, so cause C, which was our largest incident, those issues need to be researched or they need to be fixed. This was an A3 started by Patrick Batordi. You can select team members to help you out, so you may go out and say, I'm going to have Jamal give me a hand. And I'm going to ask Ocean to give me a hand on this A3. So they are going to get emails notifying them that they've been part of this process. And then you can talk about which process had the problem. Once you've selected the process, you can go down into the actual area, the actual piece of equipment, the actual product, and so on. But A3s are for another video. This is about turning the audit information into action. So you can easily retrieve the data from each of the audits. You can review the trends by defect. You can initiate action to improve. You can do all of this on any device in real time. Once again, we believe this is an incredibly affordable solution for simplifying your audit process and ensuring that the accuracy of your results.